And this is your channel Academy Master, and this is your Sir Saroj Kumar. Okay, so on the demand of the students, on the request of the students, this morning I thought of making a videos for the syllabus deductions in science for class 10. Okay, so here I am with the videos of syllabus deductions, new syllabus for class 10 science and BSc. Okay, dear students, so in science there are few portions, not much things are reduced, few portions are there which are been reduced or which have been deleted. Okay, so let us see. First we will see unit wise. Unit 1, chemical substances. Okay, in unit 1 chemical substances, from chapter 1 there is no deductions. Okay, this point should be clear to all of you that from chapter 1 there is no deductions. Chapter 1 whatever things is there, it will be coming as it is. Okay, chapter 2 chemical, chapter 2 is what? Acid, bases and salts. So from this chapter, acid, base and salts, few topics, one topic has been reduced, that is what? Strength of acid and bases solutions. Okay, this topic is reduced. Okay, or you can say that this topic is deleted. Okay, so strength of acid and bases solutions is removed. Okay, you don't need to study from that chapter number 2. Then chapter number 3, metal and non-metals. The topics which are reduced or which are deleted are occurrence of metals, their extractions. Okay, how does metals occurs, how is metal extracted, all these things you don't need to study, it has been deleted. Okay, removed from your syllabus. Okay, next, refining of metal, that is also removed from the syllabus, new syllabus. Okay, corrosions and its preventions, the last topic is corrosions and its preventions, that from unit 3, that is also removed, we don't need to study. Okay, now coming down to chapter number 4, carbon and its compound. Okay, so carbon and its compound, many topics are removed from here. So listen it very carefully. If you want, you can take a notebook and make a note of it. Okay, so chemical properties of carbon and its compound. 1, it is removed. Chemical properties of carbon and compounds. The properties are combustions. Okay, got it? Oxidations, additions and substitutions reactions. Okay, chemical properties of carbon compounds. Number 1, it is removed from carbon and its compound chapter. Number 2, combustions is removed, no more. Oxidations, no more. Additions reactions, no more. Substitutions reactions, no more. So these reactions are removed from your chapter number 4. And one more thing is there, some important carbon compounds like ethanol and ethanoic acids, these two also you don't need to study, it is removed. Okay, chapter 5, chapter 6, chapter 7, chapter 5, chapter 6, there is no topics has been removed from here, it will be same as it is, you have to study everything. Okay, now coming to chapter 7, that is unit number 2, living world. Okay, in unit number 2, living world, chapter 7, control and coordinations, their nervous system, human brain, coordination in a plant. Okay, again I am repeating, nervous system, human brain, coordination in plant, stimuli. Okay, movement due to growth, these things has been removed from the syllabus for this year. Okay, next chapter number 8, it will be same as it is, everything you have to study. Okay, chapter number 9, heredity and evolutions. Heredity and evolutions, in this chapter basic concept of evolutions has been removed, we don't need to study basic concepts of evolutions. Okay, fine. Now chapter number 10, that is unit 3, natural phenomena, light chapters, reflections and refractions. Okay, got it? Light chapter, reflections and refractions has been removed. Then deviations of derivations of mirror formula, we don't need to practice, that is a big relief for all of you. Okay, derivations of mirror formula is no more in the syllabus. Refractions through a rectangular glass prism, also not included in your syllabus. Okay, refractions through a rectangular glass slab, it is not there in your syllabus now for this session. Then derivations of Lenz's formula also is excluded from the chapter number 10. Okay, dear students. Okay, now moving on to the next chapter number 11, chapter 12, chapter 13, no change. Whatever is there, you have to study all the things. Chapter number 11, chapter 12, chapter 13. You have to study everything. None of the topic has been removed from there. Okay. Now moving on to Unit 5, Natural Resources, chapter 14, Sources of Energy. From here, the topics removed are good sources of energy, removed, conventional and non-conventional sources of energy, removed, alternative sources of energy, removed. So good sources of energy, conventional and non-conventional sources of energy, alternative sources of energy has been deleted or removed from chapter number 14, sources of energy. Okay. Next, chapter number 15, our environment. Okay, chapter 15, our environment. Here some topics are removed, like ecosystem has been deleted, its component, ecosystem and its component has been removed. Food chain, food wave, environment, okay, has been removed from here. Ecosystem and its component, food chain and food wave has been removed from chapter number 15. Another thing, environmental problems. Okay, environmental problems, depletions of ozone layer and managing waste. These two topics also has been removed. Environmental problem, depletions of ozone layer and managing waste. Under environmental problem, depletions of ozone layer and managing waste will not be included for this session. Okay. Chapter 16, management of natural resources. So here also a good number of topic has been removed, that is needs for management of natural resources, forest and wildlife. Okay, needs for management of natural resources, forest and wildlife, sustainable management of dams, this is also removed, water harvesting removed, coal and petroleum has been removed. Once again I repeat, needs for management of natural resources, forest and wildlife, sustainable management, okay, removed, dam removed, water harvesting removed, coal and petroleum removed. Okay. So dear students, these are the topics which has been removed from your current year syllabus, academic year 2021. Okay. Only for this year it has been removed, dear students. Don't think that it is removed permanently. Okay. Then mark distributions. Okay, we are going to see the mark distributions for how is the mark distributed. So unit wise mark distribution is like this. Unit 1 it will contain 26 marks. Unit 2 it will contain 24 marks. Unit 3 it will be for 15 marks, and Unit 5 it will be Unit 1 it will be 26 marks, Unit 2 24 marks, Unit 3 15 marks, and Unit 4 15 marks. So total comes to 80 marks. And it has been said by the board that the design of the question paper will not be changed. How it was asked last year. Of course, those topics which I have told to you, those topics it will not be included, but the design, the model of the question paper will be same like last year. How 5-mark question comes, 3-mark questions, so choose the correct, how it comes, same way it will be coming in the same design, same pattern will be there, question pattern. Okay, so you have to study for that. And for practicals it will be definitely 20 marks will be there. For lab record 5 marks, and for your activities it will be 5 marks. Another thing, it will be your experiments which we perform, for that it will be 10 marks. Okay, dear students, so it's very good opportunity for all of you that the syllabus has been reduced, so to secure a very good marks. And for that, dear students, you have to really work hard. And dear student, one good thing I want to tell to all the class 10 and class 9 students, that very soon I am going to start a science revision series for class 10, especially for the board examination NBSC. So if you want to know when it is going to be started, please comment in the comment box. Okay, and if you really want these lectures to be uploaded by me, basic concepts of science thoroughly it will be explained, physics and chemistry portions. So dear students, I want you, though, if you want me to start that, then if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest updates, and don't forget to press the bell which is there on the right hand side of your bell icon will be there on the right hand side, so don't forget to press that. If you press it, you will be getting a notifications whenever I upload the new videos. Okay, with that, dear students, thank you so much, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe Academy Master to get free educations of science and mathematics. Thank you.